ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay na dahil sa'yo.
Hey, hello everybody, I'm Teacher Colette. Today we will be learning about charity. Can you say that again? Say charity. Can you unmute? And
Charity. 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 And why am I still doing this?
Mute yourselves again. Yeah, do you know what charity means?
When you help, someone, when you donate, that is charity.
When you help someone, that's charity. Giving to the someone.
Giving to someone. How about on that?
Charity is about when you donate something to the community, like you give it to the...
Raise your hand if you want to speak. On that, yes, on that.
Charity means when we help someone.
When you help someone. How about age?
Charity is like donating to someone or helping someone.
The needy. For today, we will learn that true charity is not about the donation, but more about the love and connection we share with one another.
In here, you parang
That's right. As many of you are aware, there are many challenges in our country right now. Corruption,
Ate, baka
abuse,
makaspira niya
lots of calamities making things and stronger kids. If only we have true charity, these issues would be much easier to bear.
That's right, Teacher Tere. Now, I think it's time for us to meet our classmates. So
speaker out.
today we're going to do some activities and we're going to go to the breakout room.
So please share your name and grade level. And then we are going to share expectations for our activity when we get to our breakout rooms. So let's wait for the host to put us in our breakout rooms and then we'll meet our group mates. Alright? Okay, let's wait.
Make sure that you rename yourselves so that we can bring you to the right people.
Alright. Everybody, make sure you rename yourself, so that we
Dining room. Coach Amy.
Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Because there are learners here in the Philippines. Okay, so good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Alright, thank you. So how many are we here in the breakout room? 12. Hello. So, tayo. Okay. So we have grade 4 learners, grade 6,
Coach Amy Dinay.
grade 5, grade 3. Wow. Okay, my name is Coach Amy. And right now, I am in Oriental Mindoro. Okay? So I have 5 children. Okay, now I will call you one by one. You tell your name, and then you tell us where are you right now.
Hello, my name
Okay,
is
thank you. Okay, let's begin with Kyla.
Hello, my name is Escat. I'm from Tapos Tarlac. I'm from Tarlac na lang.
What were you? What city?
I'm from Tarlac.
What's kahit city ka? Yeah. You are? Where are you now? You are from what city?
I'm from Kapastarlac.
Muntinlupa. Okay, in the south. Thank you, Kyla. Alright. right, next, let's hear it from grade 5, Elijah Ryan. Tuba, hello, Ryan. Hello, Elijah. Hello.
Hi, okay.
Where are you from?
I am from I am from the Philippines. And
Yeah, we're from the Philippines.
I am from the Philippines. I am 11 years old now.
Yes.
Last month, September 20, and I live in 21 AM Pala just for now. Because we're moving to some place.
Oh, you are where? Where? What city?
From from the Gaita Rizal.
Rizal. Okay, thank you, Elijah. You are from Taytay, Rizal. Alright, thank you, Elijah. Okay, now let's hear from Gian. Yay, Gian, grade 3.
Where?
Okay, grade 3, Gian.
So I live in Kuwait. I am 7 years old. I like airplanes.
Okay.
And right now it's 8:56. And I
Wow.
also
My name is Joanna Shepherd from Kappa Starla. I'm a black
this
belt in
collaboration.
taekwondo.
Wow.
I have a training
Wow,
later at
great,
4:30.
Gian.
Now,
It's a Philippine Airways A320neo.
Okay. So it's morning there in Kuwait. Wow. Thank you so much, Gian. Okay. Let's go. Let's call on Rana. Hi, Rana. Grade 4.
Hello po, I'm Rihanna si Escat. You can call me Anna. I'm from Kapastarla. I'm a black belt in taekwondo. I have a training later. Thank you.
Wow. Congratulations. That's great. Very good. Okay. Thank you for that, Rana. How about, okay, let's hear it from grade 6, Jared. Jared. Yeah, asking your name correctly? Hmm? Yeah, yes. Thank you.
I believe in the UAE of my daughter.
Oh, grade 6. Okay, so what time is it there? Also 8 o'clock?
Yes, it's that.
Alright, thank you. So you are from UAE. Where in UAE? Abu Dhabi. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jared. Okay, let's call on Agnes. Agnes, grade 3.
My name is Agnes and I live on Paranaque City.
Okay, Paranaque. Thank you. Pretty girl. Okay, grade 3, Emmanuel Matthew. Hello, Emmanuel.
I'm Matthew Shah, and I am living in the country of Muscat, Oman, in the Middle East.
Oman in the Middle East. Okay. So it's also morning in Oman. Alright, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Emmanuel. How about Sean? Hi, Sean. Ayan, okay.
My name is Ian Ashton Canada, and I am 8 years old. I live in the UAE in Sharjah, and it is currently 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Sean. Okay, so you are in Sarja, also in UAE. Okay, now, there's teacher. Hello, ayan. Thank you po.
so,
Ready na ba kayo? It's time for our collaboration activity. Listen very well. Oh, no, you know each other, Gian. Gian, listen to the teacher. Opo. So, sige, are you ready for today? Ready. Okay, thank you for the nod. So, here's how it's going to work. There will be 4 stations for our activity today. In each station, there will be tasks that you need to complete. There are also some questions that you need to answer. So, the teachers for every station will visit your group to talk about the task. Whenever you finish the task in your worksheets, you will earn part of a word. Do you have the worksheets with you? Printed worksheets? Yes. Oh, very good. So, the goal is to complete the word at the end of the tasks. When all the groups have completed their worksheets and gathered the pieces of the word, we will do the final round. Let's see how well you can work together and what surprise awaits. Alright, let's get started. Get your worksheets and your pencils. And remember, you can help each other out. So you can talk about your answers. Good luck and happy collaborating. So, for every activity, you will be given 19 minutes to finish the task. Alright, let's start. Our first task is...
Yes.
The big first students saw homemade cookies for our house. Baby dancing.
And our first task is... Our first station is... Science! Are you ready? Who here likes science? Siyempre, madami. Everyone's on to like...
I think you're ready.
Hello. Oh. Sige nga, I have a question ha. But before you answer, you have to raise your hand before answering. What do you notice about the picture that I have here? Eli, what do you notice about the picture that I have here?
The thing I see is those that air conditioner, that picture, lower that, and also Nikola Tesla in the lower right.
That's correct.
And then with that kind of
That's correct. This is Nikola Tesla, but this is not air conditioner. This one is related to Nikola Tesla as well. Kayla, what do you think, Kayla, of the picture that I have here? Very scientific, opo, because our topic for today is about science. Already, who else raised their hand? Wala na. That's it. Sige, let's proceed. Ayan. So, Nikola Tesla, wait lang, I have a question. What products do you know are named after Nikola Tesla? Yes, Isla.
Car, ba?
Tesla coin po.
Tesla coin, that's correct. What else, Una?
Tesla car po.
Tesla car, that's correct. And what's the difference between a Tesla car and other regular cars?
A Tesla yung parang nag-o-autopilot.
Oo.
Eli.
What's the difference between a Tesla coin?
Tesla car versus other cars.
Electric car?
Electricity.
The difference between the electric car and a car. Well, the difference between a electric car and some other cars is one. Remember, do you know those kind of BYD Tesla companies? Electric cars are like, they only need electricity, but they don't need fuel, but normal cars, they just need
Tesla car.
fuel.
Okay, that's
So
correct.
they're like,
Yes, that is
they're like a
autopilot.
bit outdated and like a bit,
Unlike our car.
like, it's kinda
Unlike parang makakawa sa
bad.
teacher.
It's still
Okay.
fine, but,
Okay.
but
What's the name of your
Tesla
car?
cars,
LUX.
they're like,
Huwag mong i-unmute. Nagtutok pa ako
electric
eh.
mainly powered by electricity, but normal cars are powered by
That's correct. Okay, may ako na.
It will cost money, but
Mm.
now if you have to charge a electric car, you probably recharge your recharge your electric car. Like sometimes some malls there are electric cars.
I agree. Okay, may ask Ona now. Ona, what do you think?
The Tesla cars can autopilot while our car cannot.
No, those are some of the features of the Tesla car. So Ilan made a good point a while ago that cars that are usually run by fuel, they are less environmental friendly than electric cars. But which is more costly, electric cars or those by fossil fuels, isla?
The Tesla car.
That's correct. That is more costly. Although, Nikola Tesla has a vision about electricity. So let's see what it is. Can I ask Agnes to read the slide? Nikola Tesla and electricity. Agnes, can you please read the slide?
Nikola Tesla was a brilliant inventor who believed in making electricity available to all people no matter where they live. In a speech in 1905, he said that electrical energy can be economically transmitted without wires or any terrestrial distance. This means believe that power could be sent from one place to another, even to the farther parts of the world, using electric wire. Tesla managed a world where electricity was easy to share, cheap to produce, and could reach every home no matter how away. More than 120 years of action, Tesla service idea. Dream is still not fully realized. In the Philippines, we can still small islands and remote communities that do not have enough electricity.
Okay, thank you so much, Agnes. So according to Tesla, what type of electricity did he want to produce? Can I ask Jared? Jared, according to Tesla, what type of electricity he wants to produce? According to this?
Access what the entire world without
Okay, so,
able what if you make it accessible
okay, so accessible and cheap. Is our electricity here in the Philippines or even abroad, is electricity cheap?
No, it's not.
No, electricity is not cheap. So you can imagine that, so do you think Tesla have already realized what he wanted more than 100 years ago?
No.
Do we have cheap electricity already? Not yet, okay. So maybe, as young scientists, maybe you can do that one day. Cheap electricity, easy to share, and another one is wireless. Imagine wireless electricity. We have that now, but only for phone chargers. Wireless electricity. So now, I will... Oh, yes, Gian.
I forgot.
Oh, what do you mean you forgot?
Oh yeah, I still have to pay the. My parents still have to pay the electrical bill.
Okay. Alright, thank you, Gian. So now I will show you demonstration. So, part of the thing that Tesla did to create a wireless, cheap and accessible electricity is he created the Tesla coil. So, this is for him to research and demonstrate wireless energy transmission, with its ultimate goal to wirelessly distribute power across the earth and to light homes and cities. He used it to study high frequency, high voltage, alternating current. Can everybody say alternating current?
Alternating current.
Okay, alternating current. He developed the Tesla coil, which became a foundation for early radio and other modern electronics. So let us watch the Tesla coil in action. Ayan. So this is the Tesla coil. There are two Tesla coils that you can see. So from the Tesla coil, there's a power source and then there's a transformer that increases the voltage of the power source. So it kind of makes it stronger. But the current is alternating. It enters, goes back, enters, goes back. That's what it means by alternating.
That's called, that type is called the musical one.
This one will showcase how music changes the waves of the electricity that is produced by the Tesla coil. Let's watch this.
What? Ang ganun. Magbumit sila.
There's no sound teacher.
Wala tawag. Ano ito? There's na coils?
Here po,
Parang counter. Nagyan na.
teacher, there's no sound po.
It's an electricity. It's like a lightning.
Yeah, I know. Ako parang ito yung lightning, right? Parang...
Teacher, really, there's no
No
sound.
sound? Ay, ano ba yan? Wait lang. Wait lang ha.
Wow!
I really wanted to hear the zapping.
Ay, oo nga. How about now? Can you hear it now?
Yeah!
Loud?
Wow! Ganyan kapag that, no? Sabay dito yun. May ano, ano to?
Ayan. So, if you look at the video, that is basically how Nikola Tesla imagines the wireless electricity. But if you also look at it, there might be problems that he will encounter if that kind of electricity is run at long distances. Diba? Can you run electricity like that for long distance? Pero now, it's possible for short distances. Oops. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry about that.
Okay, if you restart the video.
Let's see. Let's look at the video again. Yan. Oh. Sorry. And you can also say, I will not play from the start ng capacitor.
Ito yung oil. Nakaiwan.
You can also see something at the middle, like a ball, a metal ball at the middle.
For the electricity to strike.
Capacitor.
Yes, that is what we call a Faraday's cage. So if there's something inside the Faraday's cage, it will not be touched by the electricity. So you will see that the lightning or the electricity strikes at the Faraday cage, but it won't
Kapag
go,
walang
it
ganyan,
won't
ano?
enter inside. So that's part of Nikola Tesla's experiment.
It looks amazing, but easy.
It's really dangerous. That's why when scientists work with the coil, with the Tesla coils, they have to have that Faraday cage so they don't get electrocuted. Okay. So that is. Oh. Okay. Alright, so that is the experiment of Nikola Tesla and the Tesla coil. Sige na,
Oh,
review
what
it.
kind of Tesla coil?
Again, Gian.
This type of music is Tesla coil. It's a desk Tesla coil.
Tesla coil. Oh, that's correct. Because there are giant Tesla coils, right, Gian? As big as a tall building.
Yeah.
So that one
Yeah.
is into
Desk Tesla coils are like that. Are like the one in the video.
So the giant Tesla coils are used for experiments.
Because you can fit Goku's butt in there.
Oh no! Sige, let's review.
It's not just an action figure.
Sige, let's review. From what we've learned, what is the main purpose of the Tesla coil invented by Nikola Tesla? Yes, Tesla.
Nicolas.
To demonstrate and to showcase how the electricity about the electricity.
Okay, to demonstrate, to showcase how electricity can be wireless. What else? Kayla. To experiment on alternating current, or when you increase the voltage to create a more efficient power source from a small power source. What else? What's the main purpose of the Tesla
To
coil?
explore
Which do you think
wireless.
is more costly? A wireless electric source or a wired electric source?
Wireless. A wireless.
Wireless?
Oo. Mas
Research.
mahal yun.
What's
a
your
wireless.
guess? You can also type in the chat box. Oh, people are saying, Kayla said wireless.
Parang sa mouse.
Oh,
Mas
that's
mahal
my
ito,
math
wireless.
is that wireless
Yun, mas
electricity
mura,
is more
yung may
cost efficient
wire.
than wired
may,
electricity because you will have to spend for wires, for insulators, and
Mas mahal
conductors.
ito. Wireless to.
But you know, the fact that we have AC or
Yan,
alternating
may wire
current,
yan.
you
Yung
check your
tali.
bulbs at
Oo,
home,
wire yan.
check your bulbs at home, check your aircon, and the sockets,
mga
all of
babas
those
ko.
are run by alternating current. And they are cheaper compared to direct current that runs our phones, our tablets, our laptops. So battery-powered devices are run by direct current. And alternating current can be distributed to further places than what Nikola Tesla imagined. Now, but my question is, do you think our electricity is cheap as how Nikola Tesla imagined it to be? Is it cheap? No. So I have a question for everyone. Because our electricity is not cheap. And our electricity actually is a form of business. In your opinion, is it important for scientists, engineers, and politicians to prioritize science for the benefit of the people? Why or why not? And get your worksheet. There's a column there. that says science, and then there is this question. In your opinion, is it important for scientists, engineers, and politicians to prioritize science for the benefit of the people? Why or why not? Sige po, you can find the answer in 2 or more sentences.
What's your answer? Is it important for scientists?
Can I see your
To
worksheet?
prioritize science?
Ah,
Yes.
that's for math. The other page. Other page. I think there are
The
3.
first one.
Did you see it?
Because
There's a station for people.
Science is like at the middle of one
Why
of
do
the
they have to
pages.
prioritize science?
For this one?
Yan. Opo, that one. Sige, write your answer.
Oh, sige na.
we need to
Yes, yes, yes muna. Tama na nga yung kanina. Yes, period. Wait, no.
Because
No. Wait. Oh, science. Ano na? Ano ang science? Ano may tuturo ng science?
Teacher, pull your on mute. Oh.
Sorry. So when you say prioritize, it's to put first. So is it important for scientists, engineers, and politicians to put first science for the benefit of the people?
O bakit ba?
Before
Bakit mahalaga ang
doing
science?
for business?
Science
Why
ka?
or why? Is it important that the top one on the list is science for people? Why
Ayan
or
na
why?
eh.
electricity.
Science can.
Because science can help people.
Oh, science
Yan,
can.
very good, Gian. You
Science
got
can
your
help people
answer.
daw.
You already did.
Okay, very good. You write 2 or more sentences, Gia.
Can help people nga. Eh, sinabi na nga eh. Oh, period. Next. Lakihan mo, hindi nakikita. Lakihan mo, ha? Ano ba? Bakit mahalagang science?
Science.
Through science, we can invent, di ba?
Invent bulbs.
Okay yun, sige, sulat mo. Through science, we can invent bulbs, ano pa?
Are you done, Ulay?
Lakihan mo,
And in our picture.
we can
Sige, you can
invent
share your
Bulbs.
answers.
bulbs.
Like
My
bulbs.
opinion,
Like
is
bulbs,
it
ano pa?
important for scientists, engineers, politicians to
Damihan
prioritize
mo.
science?
What?
Well, to be honest,
Laptop or computer.
it is really
Okay.
important for
Huwag ma ang papaya.
science. Like something's broccoli like this.
Computers.
Or like you know, science is like gravity.
And
And also
Electricity.
science is like
electricity.
Electricity muna. Kama. Electricity.
Ah, sige,
Tama.
Ian, write your answer first. Write your answer first before sharing.
Tama.
So
And
it's
others.
more compact, so it's more organized. Write your answer first.
Side mo.
Sige nga, can I ask Isla to share? Isla, what did you write?
yes, because we can discover new ways to help people from them park. We
Oh.
help them have electricity to help them like
Ayun, science can help
Yeah.
politicians in decision making. Go. It
Science.
can also,
Oo, correct.
it can also
Better electricity,
Oh,
what else to help
so
people.
Yes.
help politicians.
because some islands actually don't have clean water supply.
In
So
decision
we
making.
should use science to find
Decision
out
making.
ways to help them
Oh, that's
so they
very
can also get fresh water.
very good. That's very good, Lisa. Very good answer. Can I ask Kayla for her answer?
Sure.
Huh?
Oo. Heighten. May line. Making.
Yes, because science helps people. Three ways are this is electricity, this is
Okay.
internet, and
Practice.
Yes, science. Yes.
Ayan,
Science can
very
help
good. Out of
people.
curiosity, that's
Through
correct.
science, we
Now,
can
can I
invent.
ask Agnes for her answer? Agnes, what's your answer?
May isang na ako?
Oo. Tapos, practice ka.
Science
Yes. Science can help people. Through science, we can help speakers. Electricity can also help.
Ayan, that's
Nakasay
correct
mo.
to help people. Can I ask Khalil, Jared Khalil?
Yes. Science. Yes. Science can help people. Through science, we can invent light bulbs, in this
Oo na.
Yes, science can help people. Through science, we can invent light bulbs, computers, electricity, and others. We can also help politicians in decision making.
Oh, that's correct. I agree. Data and scientific process can help in decision making. Okay, may ask Carlthreen. Carlthreen, can you read your answer?
Plus science inform the engineers, politicians, and scientists
Marami.
of how society and the environment function.
I agree. Thank you. Oh, Eli, did you write your answer yet, Eli?
What?
Did you write your answer already?
Yes, but I might like cough frequently.
Oh, sige, read what you wrote. Read what you wrote and stick to what you wrote, Eli. What did you write?
No?
What did you write? Yes, read what you wrote.
What I write, it is really important because why not? Because science is kind of very important for everybody because actually common, very common.
Oh, sige. You read what you wrote, Eli.
What?
Read what you wrote.
Well, what I noted is it is really common that science can be everywhere. Not really be distracted to science.
Kami sabi nga,
Okay.
You know, science is like a lot. If you want to learn about science, then you must learn at both school and science.
That's one way to learn science. But science, as we said, is all around us. So one of the ways that we can do is to distribute the knowledge to people so that people can use them and we develop it. Alright. So for those who don't want to share, it's okay. But make sure that you wrote your reflection. So now, ayan, we're done with the science. I will give you this one. Can you write this on your paper so you can guess later what is the word? The part of the word that I'm giving you is this phrase, this syllable rather, which is, oops, did I go? Which is hand. Ay, can I ask Lisa to read the slide? The hand stands for what, Lisa?
Hanap ko, ha? Ba't ganyan ka magsulat? Hindi pa gano'n na, dapat pataas. Okay na, okay na. Ay, ako nag-i-erase. O na. Okay na. No. That, just the pencil. I-demo ko. Ang pagsusulat hindi ganyan. Dapat nakatayo. Ha? Hindi yung ginaganyan mo, oh. Ginaganyan mo, oh.
Alright.
Pang
So like
scripting yun eh.
scientists,
Writing tayo.
our livelihood skills and expertise should be offered for the people. And that is one way to practice charity. Ayan, your right hand at the bottom of your paper. So you can figure out what the word
Dapat
is
dito.
later. And that's
Okay,
it for
hand.
science.
Bottom of your paper. Go.
Yes.
No, bottom.
Do
Stop.
I write pen over
Alisin mo yung
here?
notebook.
At
Alisin
the
mo yung
bottom
notebook.
po. Can you see?
Okay, sulat mo daw dito sa baba.
Yan. But you
Wait, patingin.
write it on pencil muna, Kayla. Because later, other syllables will be given to you and you will have to figure out what the word is. Okay?
Okay, dito lang. Sulat mo, hand. Okay?
Alright.
Oh, liitan lang. Ba't pakalaki mo?
Coach Aimee, I will unshare now. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Ming.
Then I will move to the next group. Alright.
Thank you again. Bye. Bye, Teacher Me. We will just wait for our next activity and wait for the next teacher. But
Maybe you can put and you can share about their reflections, especially those who
Yeah.
haven't shared yet.
oo. Yes, thank you, Teacher B. Kasi we have to, we were not able to call to introduce themselves and where they're from. Si Kathleen, hello Kathleen. Kanina you're not able to call you. You are from what city?
I come from Harrison, Angola. You can call me Dave.
Okay.
And I am in Guangzhou, China.
Oh, so you're in China. Wow. Thank you, Kathleen. Okay, how about Isabel? Isabel, grade 5?
Hello po, my name is Isabel, but you can call me Isla po. I'm from Pasig
You
City.
try to answer na ano.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you want to listen to them?
You're from Pasig. I remember you. Remember me? Yeah.
Apo.
Okay, thank you, Isabel. How about Dia? Dia? Are you still here? Yeah. That's why I went there. Dia? Oh, there. Hi, Dia. Is Elijah your brother? Oh, okay. So, you're also from Rizal. Taytay Rizal. Okay, thank you, Dia. How about Giselle and grade 6? Yeah. Elijah Espinosa, hello. Grade 4, Lylan. That's Lylan, grade 4. Did I call you a while ago? Yeah. And you, yeah. Hello,
My name is
Laila.
Leila.
Layla. Oh, sorry.
No, I'm Cebu.
Cebu, okay. Alright, thank you, Layla. And then, Johan. Johan Benjamin, can you please turn your video on? Okay, we're while waiting for the next teacher. But, okay.
When will this end?
Okay, we're waiting for the next teacher for our next activity. But learning a lot. No? It's good to know that we learn about Nikola Tesla. Wow! No? The inventor of the Tesla car. Wow! No? Do we have Tesla cars here in the Philippines?
No. Do you mean Tesla coil?
Tesla coil, yeah, Tesla coil. How about Tesla cars? Do we have Tesla cars here in the Philippines? Do we have Tesla cars here in the Philippines
That's
now?
from Elon Musk.
You think?
Now.
Yes? Yes, electric car. Wow. Electric cars are now. Yeah.
Who blocks this? Out in your mind.
Okay. So, who else? Who wants to answer? Who wants
I
to
can still play TFS.
question about should the scientists and engineers and
Hear that one?
Yun, nasa
this
math
teacher met already. Hello, teacher met. Welcome to group 1.
Hi, Coach Amy.
Hi, teacher.
Okay.
Hello, Coach Ivy. Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. We're the math teachers of CFA. I'm Teacher Grace, and
I'm Teacher Mel.
so, have you been waiting long? Sorry.
Yes.
Took a long time to finish the other one. So, sige, we'll try to make it quick so that we can maximize our time.
Can you see my screen now? I think it's looking black. I'll try to reshare.
Roblox is rotting in mind. I can play TFS because Roblox is banned.
Should I try sharing?
Yes, please. Thank you, Teacher Grace.
Oh, I can't also. Wait, for some reason.
Kung next time di na tayo
I can't share picture Mel.
Sa sasakyan lang.
Sorry.
I'll try.
Hanggang 4 lang naman yan.
Alis na yung...
Okay.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Okay. Right. So we'll be giving you.
So once again, hi everyone. Teacher Grace and I are your math teachers in CFA Help, and you are already here in the math station. So here are the instructions on what are you going to do in our station. Teacher Grace?
All right. So the stations are. The instructions first. The answers to the math questions are Bible verses. Okay, so you have to come up with the correct math answers so that you'll be able to access, or you'll be able to see the correct Bible verse, chapter, and verse. Okay. Teacher Mel?
Thank you, Teacher Grace. I apologize for the screen shared, but that's our instruction. So you will solve math problems, and your answer will be the Bible verses.
Okay. So once you look them up in the Bible, write down each Bible verse that you find in your worksheet. Okay?
And you
Yeah,
can
your
ask
worksheets, right?
where are your worksheets? Is it
Show
there?
it. Show it.
Okay, this
I think it disappeared. Goodness, familiar.
Yes, I will try to reshare it once again.
Yes, you have your worksheets, and then hopefully you have your Bibles. Who has their Bibles beside them right now? Okay, wonderful. If you don't have your Bibles right now, you can also go online. So, after you have looked at all the three, because there will be three Bible verses, okay? Choose one, choose one verse and write a short reflection about it. You may answer any of the following to guide you as you reflect on the Bible verses. So, what does it mean to you? What can you learn from it? And why is it important? So, it's like we're going to ask you after you've written down all the three Bible verses, we'll ask you to think about what struck you the most, and then think about these three questions. You can answer one of them. Okay,
Ano
are
oras
the
na?
instructions clear?
Ano oras sila? Ha?
Give us a
4
thumbs
p.m.
up if it's
nag-start.
clear, if the instructions
Ano
are
oras sila
clear.
matatapos?
Okay, let's go to the first math
Okay,
question.
so what time?
Okay.
Will they end?
Oh, but by the way, the answers can be part of your PPA, right? So,
Okay.
answer the one that is for you. Okay, don't answer for grades 5 and 6.
Okay,
Answer
dito yung
grades
6,
5 and 6
dito yung
questions,
38.
not grades 4, 3 and 4 questions. Okay, Teacher Mel will read the question for her
Then Luke,
students. Look, Teacher Mel.
Thank you, Teacher Grace. So this is
Ito.
the first math
Luke chapter
problem
6
for
verse 38.
grade 3 and 4 learners. Please answer this question. The grade 4 students solved homemade cookies for a cause. They began setting up their table and arranging the cookies at 4 p.m. They solved all of the cookies in just 2 hours and 38 minutes. What time did they finish selling the cookies? So this is a time word problem, and your answer will be the chapter and verse for the Bible verse statement.
For grades 5 and 6, there are 3 teachers
Chapter
and
6,
19
di po
students
pa.
on a trip to St.
Malayo pa.
Augustine Church.
Malayo
Another
pa.
bus has the same number of teachers and students. What is the ratio, what is the total ratio of teachers and students
6, di ba?
on both
Oops.
buses combined? Give your answer in the form of a ratio without
38, 38.
simplifying, and write your answer like a Bible reference. So, chapter, verse. Okay, you have 1 minute. Okay,
27.
I already did the one for the grade 3 and 4.
you don't have to do the grade 5 and 6.
Ayan,
Just,
27.
just answer 3 and 4.
29. Ano yung 30?
That's
Oh,
absolutely
hanapin mo.
right.
32.
Looks like you
37.
guys are done, huh? You guys are fast.
Ito!
Give.
Shall we show? Done. Wonderful. Okay, they don't need 1 minute, Teacher Mel.
Susulat mo yan.
One.
Susulat mo. Lagay mo yung papel dito.
Yes, Kayla.
Usog mo. Ay, hindi usog mo dyan. Usog ka na dyan. Copy the verse. Oh, wait.
You don't have an online Bible? You can open a new tab
6:38.
and then just write down. Like, on the tab,
I used
at the tab part, yes, you will just go to the what is this?
Yes,
To the search
bilisan mo.
bar. And then
Nahanap
look
mo,
up
tatanong ka pa.
the book, chapter, and verse that we will give you. Okay, but do you have an answer? Okay, what's your answer? Okay.
My answer is 638.
Oh, that's for grade 3. How about 5 and 6? Who can give their answer for 5, 6? Yes, Isla.
It's 6 to 38.
Very good. That's the ratio, right? So now, look up this in the book of Luke, chapter 6, verse 38. Okay? Okay. We'll give you time to look it up, and then we want you to write down, okay, that chapter and verse in your notebooks. So if you don't have online, all you have to do is to open the tab and then...
worksheet.
Alright, yes, absolutely.
Number
Write your
38,
answer
tama.
in your worksheet. Okay? So right there, Luke 6:38, search it, and then you will find the chapter verse. Okay? Elijah, yes. So it's Luke 6:3, yeah. So look for, or look up, Luke chapter 6, verse 38. Done.
Teacher Grace, should I set the timer for 2 minutes?
These kids are fast, so maybe 1 more minute?
Yes. One more.
Okay.
I'll start the timer.
Alright, write it down. You already wrote it? Wonderful.
That's great, Gian.
Just use addition. Marami na to.
You have to complete it. We can add lines.
Okay, Gian, please please be quiet, okay? Because your aunties and kuyas are still answering.
Actually, 8.
That's great.
And my birthday was a few days ago. Like Sunday.
Okay, time's up. Okay, so now let's go to the second math question. Shall we? Are we ready? Go, Teacher Mel.
Okay, for the second math problem, this is for, again, grade 3 and 4 learners. Please answer this problem. Maria is training for a charity run that she will join next month. The total distance of the run is 16 miles. In the first week of training, she runs 5 miles.
Mamaya na yan.
8 miles in the
No,
second
finish that.
What
Finish
fraction
that.
of the total run Maria has completed?
Pati sabi nga, dito na ako. Ikuya.
Please take note that your
Very
numerator
short.
is the chapter and your denominator is the verse.
So for grades 5 and 6, this is your question. In a Bible trilogy, Lucy answered 26 questions correctly and got 32 wrong. All you have to do is to write down, okay, the ratio of the correct answers to wrong answers. Okay, keep that in mind, correct answers to wrong answers. And then what you need to do now is to simplify the ratio and write your answer like a
Okay,
Bible
kabila.
reference. Okay, you think that you can do this in 1 minute? Okay, so you have 1 minute.
Making 31 with 16 miles.
First week.
16.
Wait, notebook mo muna.
Yan.
Yung notebook mo. Oh, first week, ilan ang tinakbo niya?
16.
No, first week. In the first week of training, she runs. Ilan?
5 miles.
Oh, isulat mo 5 miles. Then, second week, ilan ang...
Oh, Teacher Bell, they're really fast. We're done.
Second
We
week.
have 30
Ayun na, nasa ano, ayun.
left.
Oh, 8 miles. Paano gagawin mo dyan?
That's why Coach Ivy
Hindi ko alam
limited
sa'yo.
about time.
Oh, sige, i-plus mo. Syempre, tumakbo siya eh. I-plus mo. I-plus mo muna. Mamaya na yung papel.
5
Mamaya.
plus 8, 13.
Oh, then, dun ka sa monitor. Sulat mo 13, hindi, mamaya ka sa papel. Yan. Oh, 8 plus mo na.
Ano?
8 plus 5
Time's
equals
up.
13.
Who wants to share their answers? Grade 5
Okay.
this time. Grade 5 or grade 6?
The total distance is
Who
16
wants to share
miles.
their answers?
Oh, what fraction of the
Isa
total
ulit?
run Maria has
Who else?
completed?
13 over 16.
Correct. Okay. 13 over 16 is the answer. Numerator is the chapter.
Okay, Isa, you're the only one
Denominator
who
is the
needs
verse.
answer.
Go.
What's your answer?
Doon na. Okay na, okay na. Oh, numerator. Numerator is the...
Okay, how about grade 3 and 4?
Sa isulat mo na. Huwag mo na.
What is your answer in this
Okay.
chapter?
Oh, go to the Bible verse.
Try, you can do it. Please raise your hand.
I'm still answering their first class problem.
Hebrew. Wait, ano?
Hebrews.
And if you
Hebrews.
want to
16.
My answer is Hebrews 13:16.
Alright, good. So it's Hebrews 13:16. So look up this in your Bibles now. Okay? We'll give you 2 minutes to look up Hebrews 13, chapter 13, verse 16. Open it now and copy it in your notes.
I'll set the timer for 1 minute.
You have 1 minute.
Siyempre, each day. Literacy.
6, 12, 13,
now move on to the last math
To do
problem.
good
Last
and
math
to
problem.
share
So again, this is for grade 3 and 4 learners.
with others,
Listen
comma,
carefully or read the word problem. The charity
Comma.
run begins
with-
at 8 a.m. or 8
for,
o'clock a.m.
with,
It
such,
takes Maria 1 hour
Such.
and
Ikaw na.
7 minutes to complete the run. What time
such
did Maria
sacrifices,
finish
God
the
is
charity run?
Sacrifice.
This
And
is
for
time word problem.
sacrifices.
sorry, Teacher Mel.
It's okay.
Alright,
Ayusin
wonderful.
mo.
I hope that grade 5 and 6
God
are already
is
reading
this.
or have already done reading this. A group of 7 boys and 21 girls signed up to help at church this weekend. What is the ratio of boys to girls? Simplify the ratio and write your answer as a Bible reference.
There's
So you
my
have 1 minute to look for it. People are already done. Great.
charity. The charity
Yeah,
run
I'm going to
begins
set
at
the
8
timer for 1
a.m.
minute.
It takes Maria 1 hour and 7 minutes to complete the run.
Saying they're done already. Are you all done now? Okay, just you. Okay.
O ano, what time did she finish?
8 a.m. 1 hour and 7 minutes.
O ano? Ano oras siya makatapos?
9:07?
Okay, 9:07.
Here.
Okay, 9.
07?
Oo, 07.
Oh. Corinthians. Parang may nahanap ako kaninang Corinthians. Corinthians. May nahanap ako kanina. Hindi dito ate.
Corinthians
9:07.
9, 1, 4, 9, 7.
What's the answer?
Sorry.
Okay, what's the answer? Elijah,
Ito,
what's your
7.
answer, Elijah?
Right?
Did you get? Did you get my color?
Ito meron na na each man brother.
Yes. Oh, did you write it down? What's your answer? For this one, okay, how about yourself? You have an answer yourself?
Okay.
Each man.
Each man should give.
That's okay, Elijah. But, how about the
Each
answer
man
for
should
this one?
give what he
27
has
boys,
decided.
girls, and
What he has decided.
what's that as a simplified ratio?
Dead.
So, do you have
In
an
his
answer?
heart to
That's
give.
okay. Yes, 27-21 is the ratio. But how is that?
To give.
Yes. What's that in
Comma.
simplest form, my dear?
Not reluctantly.
Not.
O, tignan mo na, reluctantly.
That's right. But the answer is supposed to be simplified. Simplified
Reluctantly.
ratio.
Tantly.
That's okay. Thank you, Elijah.
Or under compulsion. Compulsion.
Compulsion.
Oo. Tignan mo, marong spelling ka.
Apple.
Compulsion.
Already got the answer.
Tignan mo kasi pagka...
Here. So this is 8 minus 8. And then 1 hour and 7 minutes. Kayla, once again. Go, Kayla.
So my answer is Corinthians 9 verse 7.
Very good. Okay. So it's 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 7. Please look it up in your Bibles now. 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 7.
1 minute, another 1 minute.
And God.
To look for your,
Ay!
to look for
Yun
2
lang.
Corinthians 9.
Alisin mo na yung zero.
In your note, write down these in your worksheets or write it in your notebooks.
9:07 lang.
Delete.
Wonderful. You're so fast. Thank you, Islam. You're also done.
Oh, no, also. They're so fast, teacher Grace.
2
Yeah.
Corinthians 9:7.
Pero wala ginagawa.
This is a fast group. Time's up. We hope that you have all 3 verses written down in your notebooks. Okay, or in your worksheets. Wonderful, thank you. Okay, so we now want you to think about those 3 verses. You just have to choose one to reflect on, okay? Here is the last part. We want you to reflect on that. Which Bible verse struck you the most? Remember, our theme is of charity, right? So, which one do you think connected with you the most? And why is it important? What are the 3 questions again, Teacher Mel?
Then don't forget also to answer the questions, what does it mean to you? What can you learn from it? And why is it important? So you can use your worksheet. So there's a provided space for you to write your answer.
You have 5 minutes. Go for it.
Should we
Ay, akin
get
na
5 minutes?
Lalagyan ko ng line.
Or maybe,
Huwag
Shani,
na, lalagyan
3
ko ng
minutes?
line.
Kasi, bilis nila eh.
Akin na yun.
Yes.
Dapat may pencil kayo dyan.
Set the timer for 3 minutes.
Si ano? Si 1360.
What?
Because, kasi sabi na, ano, and don't forget to good and to share with others. We share kasi.
Ito, you answered that. Bible verse? Anong sagot mo?
1360.
O, ano yun? No, wait, ano yun? Wait, ano yun? Luke? Corinthians? Ano? Ano pa? May pangalan yun. Ano to?
Hebrews.
Hebrews 13:16. Oops, pangit.
Hebrews.
13:16. Okay, question. What does
The Bible verse mean?
Oh, what does it mean to you?
To share with others.
Oh, sharing with others is what?
Sharing
With others is?
with others.
And is God.
God.
And is. Wala na yung is. Is God. Ano is God? And is God. Is ano may God? Period. Okay. Next. What can you learn from it? Oh, what can you learn?
Hindi na po na po ba yung silong yun?
Except yung socks.
Do not forget to do good.
Huwag ka na kukuha dito. Huwag ka nang kakapi. What can you learn? Oh, what can you learn from
I
it?
learned that sharing others
You
is
can still
Pareho lang.
think about it. Don't worry.
Pareho lang ang sagot mo dito. Tsaka doon, no? Pinapareho mo, no?
I learned
Huwag
that
na yung I learn. So, sharing is?
sharing is caring.
Oh! Bakit, dapat iba ang sagot mo una, iba yung sagot mo sa pangalawa. Pinapareho mo eh.
Caring.
Period. Oh, why is it important?
It
Oh,
is important.
Huwag mo na sabihin yun. Why is it important? Bakit kailangan nag-share?
Para
To?
to ano, to share food.
Hindi. Why is it sharing is important? Because
To please God.
tapos na eh. Isulat mo na eh. Why is it important?
It is important because
Alright.
sharing is
You're
good
done
for
already,
others.
and it seems like it is our timer is also done.
Okay.
So
No,
you can
sharing
still
is
continue
good
to
for
think
others.
about it, but we'll already leave
Tapos
you because we
magdagdag
need to go to the
ka.
next station.
Para may
That is to
kompleto
the
mo
next
yung
breakout room. But in the meantime, since this is your reward for finishing this
for everyone.
math station, okay? You have the letters
Ang
Y
pangit.
A. Okay?
YA.
Yeah.
Sulat mo, YA. Go! YA!
Grace and Yang or YA.
YA!
Yakapin ang salita ng Diyos. Ito ang tulaw ng ating pag-ibig sa For in
Kanina ano
English,
yan? Harry?
grace, the word of God, It is the lamp of our love for mankind. So please take note of Yak because later on you will
Papayahan
learn big
natin.
word. Okay?
Papayahan natin.
Alright, thank
Or
you
papayapaan.
for
Ah,
sharing your time with us. We'll go to the to breakout room 2, and we'll see you in class next week. Okay? Bye,
Thank
Coach
you,
Annie.
everyone. Great job.
Thank you, Coach Mel. Thank you, Teacher Mel and Teacher Grace. That was great. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po po.
Alright, thank you. Alright, kids, wow. You apply your math skills, no? In determining the verses and chapter. Wow, good job. So who wants to share? Who wants to share their reflection? What is your favorite verse? Well, it's all about charity, right? It's about giving.
Babasahin mo na.
Okay. Corinthians, no? God loves a cheerful giver. Yes. No?
My favorite is also the Corinthians.
Yeah, thank you. Very good. Okay, how about Rana? Ona, how about you?
My favorite Bible verse is Hebrews 13:16.
Oh, so
It's not Hebrew.
doing good.
Hebrew yan.
Good.
Ah,
Right?
Hebrew.
Others, no?
Hindi Hebrew.
Do you always do an act of kindness? Yes. Yes, that's charity. Very good. Oh, who else? Who wants to share? Galing. That was fun. Right? While waiting for the next teacher. Oh, there's Teacher Kiel. Hello, Teacher Kiel.
Ako, teacher. Good afternoon po, Teacher Kel.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
po, Teacher Kel. Gandang hapon po.
Okay, thank you po, Coach Amy. So, narito na tayo para sa AP and Filipino Station. Okay, so maglalaro lang po tayo para itong quiz bee, no? So, ito ay tagisan ng ng ating isipan at yung mata natin. Okay, can you hear Teacher Kelwell? Okay, very good. So, ano ba yung mga instructions? Okay, kasama po natin dito si Teacher John, no, para sa ating AP and Filipino Station. So, ang tawag po natin dito ay the memory game. Okay? So, tagisan ng isip. So, mayroong 5 pagsubok na susubukin ang inyong memorya, or there will be 5 rounds, no? In each, basahin at tandaang mabuti ang mga tanong, no? Meron kayong 10 seconds o 10 segundo bago malipat sa susunod na slide. Sa bawat tanong, susubukin nito ang talas ng inyong mata at isipan. So you need to remember, no? Easily remember the pictures, the words written in the first slide so that you can answer the question on the other slide. Naiintindihan po? Okay, so any one of you can answer the question, and then you may just raise your hands whether you agree or disagree with the answer. Are we clear? Okay, let's start with the round 1. Siyasatin ang mga sumusunod. Tandaan nga iyan. We have trustworthy, integrity, responsive, God-fearing, transparent. So you have 10 seconds para tandaan yan. Sige nga. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Question is, alin sa mga sumusunod na katangian ng isang mabuting leader ang hindi kabilang sa listahang ipinakita? So, which of the following characteristics of a good leader was not mentioned in the list earlier? Yes, Kayla.
Accountable.
Accountable. How about Olga?
Accountable rin po.
Accountable din. How about Agnes?
I also think accountable.
Okay. How about Isla?
Accountable din po.
Accountable. So do we agree with accountable as the answer of the group? Huh? Okay. So let's reveal it, Teacher John. The answer is accountable, no? Ayan. So, yung accountable din, isa rin siyang mabuting katangian ng isang leader. Kaso, hindi lang siya kabilang doon sa listahan kanina. Kaya yun yung ating ina. Okay? Naiintindihan po? Nagets na ba natin yung game? Okay. Next, round 2. Si Teacher Kel ay naatasan maging isang leader ng samahan ng mga kabataan sa kanilang komunidad. At bilang isang leader, nararapat na siya ay mayroong pag-uugali ng mga sumusunod. Una, makabayan. Ikalawa, mapagkakatiwalaan. Ikatlo, maparaan. Ika-apat, may malasakit. So you have 10 seconds. Alalahanin nga iyan. Alalahanin po. Okay. Okay, time's up. Let's have the question, Teacher John. Ang tanong, ano ang ikalawang pag-uugali na dapat taglayin ni Teacher Kel?
Makabayan.
What is the second characteristic that Teacher Kel should have? Doon sa na-mention kanina.
Pagkakatiwala.
O na?
Mapagkakatiwalaan.
Mapagkakatiwalaan kaya. How about Kayla?
Mapagkakatiwalaan.
Okay, same answer. How about Isla? Ano po?
Una, makabayan, mapagkakatiwalaan, maparaan, may malaksak.
Mapagkatiwalaan.
Mapagkakatiwalaan din. Agnes and Calvin, do you have the same answer? Okay. Emmanuel, same answer. Okay. Lisa, Leila, Jared, do you have the same answer? Sian? Okay. So, let's reveal the answer, Teacher John. Ano ba yung ikalawang pag-ugali? Tama po, mapagkakatiwalaan. No? Yun yung second na na-mention doon sa ating situation. Very good. Round 3. O, suriin at tandaan ang mga sumusunod na larawan na nandyan sa table. Ano-ano ba yung nandyan sa table? Tandaan nga natin in 10 seconds. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. Teacher John, what is the question? Ano ang bagay na wala sa lamesa?
Coffee cup.
May money doon?
Kayla,
Coffee cup.
Coffee cup?
ano po?
Coffee cup.
Coffee cup kaya? Leona?
Money po.
Money kaya? Agnes?
Money yan.
Walang money. Walang money.
Money.
Money din. Sagot ni Sian. Money rin. Catherine?
May coffee cup lang.
Coffee cup.
Money din. Do you agree that the answer is
I
money?
think it's money.
May iba hindi. Okay, tignan nga natin yung answer. The answer is money. Okay? Wala po doon yung money. Bakit po? Kasi yung money po, it can be a bad or good a thing depending on how a person use it. Okay? So, yung money, maganda siya for economy, pero kapag sobrang daming pera ng mga politician, diba? Ang issue natin doon ay corruption. Naiintindihan po ba? Okay.
Like
Let's
Marcos.
move to the next round. Okay, round 4, ayon sa Republic
Ayan.
Act
O, yun na.
67, Section 13,
6, 7,
it mandates all public officials to live modest lives
6, 7,
appropriate to their positions and income, prohibiting extravagant displays of wealth. Tandaan nga natin yan. 6713 in 10 seconds. 6713 in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. The question is, anong bilang ang sumunod pagkatapos ng 7? O sige, sabay-sabay nga kayo. Tingnan natin kung pare-parehas kayo. Go!
1. Name.
Ha? Count your answers.
1.
Name. 1. Name. 1.
Oh, 1. 1. Okay, Teacher John, let us reveal the answer. That is 1. Very good. Natandaan nila. 1. Okay. Let's have the round number 5.
Round and shake.
Okay, tandaan sa round number 5. Pagmasdan ang mga larawan sa loob ng 10 segundo. Tignan natin yung mga larawan. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. The question is, anong gawain ang nakasisira sa pagiging isang mabuting leader?
Okay, number 1.
Based doon sa
Panunukol.
pictures kanina.
Bribery.
Okay, ang sagot ni Gian is bribery. Do you agree with that
Sa
one?
power, Wi-Fi.
Okay, sige ba, sabay-sabay natin sabihin, bribery.
O, patay mo na yung ring light mo. Hindi na ano.
Bribery ko kaya ang sagot.
Sasabog na yan, Raina. Ayan.
Okay, tama po. Bribery ang kasagutan, no? Ito po ay nakasisira sa pagiging isang mabuting leader, no? Hindi po ito magandang gawain. Naiintindihan po ba? Okay. Sige po. Congratulations. At natapos natin yung ating game para sa AP and Filipino. Ngayon, gusto kong kunin ninyo ang inyong worksheet para sa AP. No, yung nakalagay dyan, AP and Filipino. Kunin ang worksheet. Sagutan ang tanong. Answer the question. Anong mga katangian ang tinataglay ng bawat isa o ng isang pinuno upang matagumpay ang gawain o ang pamumuno? In English, what characteristics should an individual or a
Pagkakatiwalaan,
leader
maparaan at may
in
malasakit.
order to be successful
Makabayan? Ano
in
magkaba?
their goals and in order for them to be a good leader?
Basahin yung tanong.
So you just need to list the following characteristics of a good leader and then answer why. No? Bakit dapat meron sila?
Ang
Why
leader
should
ay
they have
dapat
those
na
characteristics? Are we clear?
ay dapat
Answer
makabayan.
it with your
Tapos i-explain mo.
Ayan, answer it here, no? Yung AP and Filipino section doon sa inyong worksheet. Are we clear? Okay, we'll give you a couple of minutes to answer that.
No. Lahat muna, mapagkakatiwalaan. Isulat mo muna lahat. Tama. Tiwalaan. Tama. Laan. Ang liliit kasi. Tama.
Hi guys, if you have questions, you just raise your hand and teacher can answer for you. Or Coach Amy can answer also.
At
Right.
May malasakit. Period. Oh, bakit daw? Bakit kailangan ganyan sila ang mga pinuno, ang leader? Bakit? Ito ay upang
Upang
hindi upang idugtong mo na, wag ka na aklan. Upang
layo ng space.
sige lang. O bakit nga upang
Upang
kasi parang siya si upang bilisan mo, matatapos na.
naglalab sa Pilipinas.
Upang umunlad ang
Pilipinas.
okay, go!
Upang
Okay, if you're
Wala.
done, can you give me a thumbs up? Yan, sige. Reflect lang, ha? Take your time, it's okay. But if you're done, give me a thumbs up.
At maiwasan ang korupsyon. Maiwasan ang korupsyon.
Wow, Leila is done. Okay, Leila, let's wait for the others. Leila, while waiting for them, do you want to share what you wrote down in your reflection?
Okay, I wanna share ka mo. Corruption. O, practice. Mag-raisan ka na, tapos practice. O, practice ka.
leader ay dapat
Ito po ang aking reflection. Tama, ha?
Ang leader ay dapat makabayan.
There are some people raising their hands. Do you have questions?
I wanna share.
Can you nod your head if you want to ask a question? Ayan, if you don't have a question, you can lower your hand. Yes, there's somebody playing music in the background.
Teacher,
Can
can I
you hear
share
it?
ka mo?
It's nice now.
Ito ang aking reflection. Ang leader ay dapat makabayan.
Okay, chance.
Karaan. Nasakit na.
Upang?
You wanna share?
Upang! Diretso na yun!
Lahat ng Pilipinas ay iwas ang korupsyon.
Okay. Teacher, can I share ka mo?
Teacher, can I share?
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Ito ay ang aking reflection. Ang leader ay dapat makabayan, mapagkakatiwalaan, makaraan at may malasakit upang umunlad ang Pilipinas at maiwasan ang korupsyon.
Wow, that's great. Ang galing naman, Una. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Sige, kabuet. Ayun. Kabuet. Wants to share
Ito
their
din ang binasa.
reflection.
Ano to?
Mapagkakatiwalaan, maparaan
Sino po?
at may malasakit.
Ang gusto mag-share.
Ito po ang aking refleksyon. Ang leader ay dapat makabayan, mapagkakatiwalaan, maparaan, at may malasakit upang umunlad ang Pilipinas at maiwasan ang korupsyon.
May dapat at ito dapat meron ito dapat kung meron ito magugustuhan ang leader at magiging masukan.
Tama. Again, mahusay. Please mag-share yung reflection.
Hindi kayo yan lang muna.
Ay,
Okay. Catherine, alright.
si Bia nasa bed siya.
Ano bakit ang hina ng boses mo pag nagkakasa ka?
Pagkakatiwalaan, pagparaan at may malasakit upang magkaroon ng masaya at maayos
Panginoon.
Tama. Galing. Husay. Salamat, Catherine. Okay. Teacher Kiel, Teacher John, ito na rin ba yung Filipino? O meron pa tayong gawain?
Okay, kung tapos na po ang lahat, ayan, congratulations! Meron kaming ibibigay sa inyong syllable. Naalala nyo kanina may mga binigay ding syllable ang ibang teachers. Kami din meron. Itong syllable na to ay makakatulong para mabuo ninyo ang ating susunod na salita. Ayan. Ang syllable ay da. Basahin ko bawat pinuno ay may pananagutan sa tiwala ng tao. Ito ang pundasyon ng mabuting pamamahala. In English, every leader has accountability for the people's trust. This is the foundation of good governance. So, tandaan natin yan, ha? Ang mga leader natin dapat mapagkakatiwalaan, masisipag, mabait, at naku, may malasakit sa kapwa. So, isulat nyo ang ba sa inyong worksheet sa pinakababa para inyong malaman ano ba ang salita na mabubuo. Salamat sa inyong lahat!
Yan. Okay, so mamaya, isa na lang ang kulang natin para sa salita, no? Na mabubuo natin mamaya pagbalik natin sa plenary. Okay. So, congratulations, ang galing ninyo. Oh, meron pa bang nais na mag-share sa inyo? Habang hinihintay natin ang susunod.
See you later. Bye-bye for a while.
Salamat, Teacher Ken and Teacher
Thank
John.
you po, Coach Ivy.
Bye! Thank you, Coach Ivy. Bye, students!
Okay, that's station 3. Now, mamaya, ngayon na tayo station 4 na. So, maghihintay tayo ng teacher sa English, no? Yan, ang ating station 4 ay English. Okay, remember that our theme is charity. O, hindi ba? Kaya kanina, ang dami natin, we've learned a lot, no? From science, di ba? Si Nikola Tesla, no? He shared his knowledge. He wants to distribute the knowledge to all the people about the wireless electricity. Oh. And then, yung sumunod naman sa math, you use your math skills, no, in determining the Bible verses about giving, about generosity. Tama? Diba? You were able to share with the group your Bible verse, your favorite Bible verse. Alright? And then, ngayon naman, in DEP and Filipino, the character of a good leader. Diba? Sabi nyo lagi doon, mapagkakatiwalaan. God-fearing. Right? Ano pa? Who wants to share? We're waiting for the next teacher in English. Our next station is English. Tapos, di ba, we have the words that you will, I think that's the puzzle, no? That you will solve. What's the word? No? So we already have what? Sa science, an. Okay? In math, ya. And then in Filipino, ba. Han, ya, ba. Those are the syllables na yan eh, diba? Ngayon, we're waiting for our English teacher, our next and last station. Yan. Before we end this collaboration. Pero we will all go back to the plenary after the English station. Okay? Oh, while waiting, who wants to share again? Who wants to share about their reflection about the characteristic of a good leader? Sino pa? Who else? Sino pa ang gustong mag-share? Yung sa sinulat niya dyan sa kanyang worksheet. Lahat kayo ay mahuhusay, magagaling, mga mababait, nakikinig. I am proud of you all. Gagaling ninyo. Okay? Sino ang gustong mag-share? Hindi pa nag-share. Yung sinulat nyo dyan sa inyong worksheet. Learn a lot, ano? Galing? Okay, sino? Ang good leader dapat ba matapat? Sa kanyang tungkulin? Alam niyo ba ang ibig sabihin ng matapat? Sino ang nakakaalam ng ibig sabihin ng matapat?
Matapat po means hindi po nagsisinungaling.
Matapat means honest.
Yes, di ba? Honest. Kaya kanina, yung salitang bribery, di ba? Hindi dapat. No? Yung matapat, truthful. Dear. No? That's also one of a characteristic of a good leader. Di ba? Honest.
No!
Ha? Mabait magtutraining
Ano
ka eh.
pa? Kami, ang magaling, mahusay, na leader.
Wala, try to answer sa akong worksheets.
Mayroon pa? Mayroon pa ba? Ayun na.
Hello!
Hello, ayun na si Teacher Tere. Hello, Teacher Tere.
Hello!
Hello. Good one.
Let me just put my slide there. Okay. Hello. Okay. Hello, everybody. Hello, Coach Amy. Good afternoon. So, we now have the English activity. Okay, let me share my screen. So, the title of our activity is I Can Be Charitable with Words. This will teach you how you can be a good friend in the online space. Okay, so raise your hand if you've ever felt confused or uncomfortable or upset in our class, in our online classes. Has that ever happened to you? Are you
Upset ka na ba?
upset or confused or uncomfortable in our class? Can you see? Yes or no?
I know that.
Never? Like, have you been annoyed with somebody?
Yeah.
With one of your classmates or what your classmate typed or said? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Be honest.
Yes.
Yes, right?
Yes!
everybody has been annoyed or upset at some point, right? So those feelings are normal. Today, we're going to learn a simple trick to handle those moments so we can keep your friendship strong. It's called calm, C-A-L-M, and each letter will tell you exactly what to do. Okay, so C-A-L-M. Letter C, communicate kindly. A, ask for adult help. L, look for fair compromises. And M, make space for boundaries. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Letter C,
Teacher ka!
communicate kindly.
Wala ka.
We're going to discover why messages online can be so tricky. So you look at this. Here's my first message. Nice try. Okay, that's my first message. Here's my second message. Nice try. So, let's see. Which message is more positive? One or two? Can you show me fingers? One or two? It's number one. It's more positive. While number two, it's more negative. What made the difference?
The tone. The tone of your voice.
Anna?
The tone of your voice.
The tone. Anything else? Isa? So nice to see you, Isa.
The facial expressions.
Yeah, the facial expressions. So, look, my face, my voice, and my body language all give you clues about what I really mean, right? That's why you know which is positive and which is negative. But look at this. If it's online, it looks like this. So, how does that make you feel? Does it make you feel happy, or sad, or neutral?
Alin? Nice try?
You don't know, right? Because the meaning or the message is not clear. Right? So online, the message is always not clear. When we talk in person, we have clues like the face, the tone of the voice, but online there are no clues. So there's a gap between the message and the meaning. So that's what we call the gap between the intent and the impact. Okay? The intent is what you want to say, your real message, but the impact is how your message is actually understood by others. So in my example, my intent was clear because there were actions, but in the text, the intent does not match the impact on the person reading it. So that's what you call misunderstanding. Okay? Misunderstandings happen to everyone. That's just part of communicating. But we can prevent it. So this is what you can do. First, you can add more details. For example, you just say exactly what you want to say. I'm excited about it. I'm sorry about it. Or you show your tone. Use emojis or GIFs to directly say how you feel. For example, nice try. You can add thumbs up or you can add smiley face or celebrate, right? So use emojis to show your tone. And then choose the right tool. Sometimes it's better to talk or call instead. Okay? Remember, even if someone misunderstands your message, you can always clarify what you mean. The goal isn't perfect communication, but being thoughtful. So always think about how you share your ideas or what your it
Gagawin niyo na yan.
Yes, Kila.
May nasa paper.
Speaking of nice try, is the tone also different when you put exclamation mark?
Yeah, that you can use punctuation marks also to show your tone. Okay? So, now tell me, what's different between talking in a group chat and talking to one person? What's the difference between the two? Any idea? Agnes?
In the talking in a group chat, you can talk to many people. But when you're just talking to one person, you're just talking to one people. And if you're talking in a group chat and you don't say who and you say it to everybody, everybody will feel it.
Very
There's
good.
not one person, on only one that you're saying.
Very good. Very
Maandar
good,
yung upuan mo.
Yeah. Group chats. It's nice to use group chats because you can talk to multiple friends at once. But it also means everybody can read the message, right? So if you type a bad word in the group chat, maybe while we are in class, if you type a bad word, everybody can see the bad word, right? So everybody will feel affected, everybody will feel sad. And so be careful when you're typing in about chat. How about if you say, I'm very, very sad? So everybody will be affected. So what can we do if somebody says, I'm very sad today? So first, you can check in privately. Send a personal message. Okay, you can say, what's up? Or why are you sad? Or you can say, we all struggle with different things, so just support. Or you can redirect, change the topic. Okay? Just change the topic so that everybody will not be affected. Okay? Remember, in group chats, you're part of the group, which means you have the power to help make it a positive space for everyone. Okay? So that's communicating timely. Letter C. Okay? Next is letter A. Ask for adult help. Okay? Remember, anytime you feel uncomfortable or you're not safe in a group chat, always ask for help. Ask help from teacher or ask help from your parents. Okay? Is there any message? Okay.
You can choose.
Next is letter L. Letter L is look for fair compromises. Who knows what compromise means? Do you know what's a compromise? Anybody? Kayla, yes?
I think it means to make do with what you have.
Doing that?
I think
Fair
it means
choices.
to make do with what you have.
To make do with what you have. Okay, let's see. What's a compromise? A compromise is an agreement where each person gives up a little of what they want so everyone can be satisfied.
Okay, you
So
study
it's
hard,
like a
so
give and take.
I can buy you
give up
toys.
something.
You
so
study
that the
hard so
group
that I will buy you toys.
Everybody in the group will be happy. Okay? Like for example, if we're decorating the room and then if somebody wants blue, somebody wants red, somebody wants yellow. So we can compromise. Maybe we can agree on one color or maybe we can use 3 colors. Right? So you just agree. Okay? So, for example, here's an example. 3 children are working on a Canva. Alex, Ben, and Clara are working on a Canva for salads. Now, they cannot agree on which planet should go first. Okay? So they started fighting on the Canva instead. Ben is adding giant emojis, and Clara is changing the fonts. So, how can the 3 of them agree? Is this relatable? Elmo, yes? Are you raising your hand? Okay.
I wasn't raising my hand.
Okay. So how can the 3 of them agree? Maybe they can make an introduction where the 3 planets will be there. Or maybe they can choose one planet, a fourth planet, and then they will all work on that fourth planet. So that's a compromise. You agree so that the group will be happy. So we already have C, A, L. Next is M. Make space for personal boundaries. So what's a personal boundary? Personal boundary is the personal limits we set to protect our privacy, comfort, and well-being. So how do you do this? You clearly communicate what you're okay with and what you're not okay with. Okay? So if something makes you uncomfortable, you tell your friend, type it in the chat, I don't like this, or I don't want to talk about this, I'm not comfortable. Okay? So red flag. Who knows what a red flag is? Have you heard of that?
Red flag! Red flag mean!
Red flag. What's a red flag feeling? When something happens that makes you feel uncomfortable, worried, sad, or anxious, that's a red flag. So when something is sus, that's a red flag. Okay? So you have to avoid red flags. Be careful. So let's try to look for red flags. Okay? Let's read scenario number 1. So let's read it. How about somebody from grade 6? Is there somebody from grade 6 here? Is there nobody in grade 6? Wala. Okay, Lisaldo. Ay, no, Lisa. Sorry. Lisaldo. Thank you, Alasa. So, what's the red flag there? What's sus about that? Anybody? On.
The red flag is... I'll find it. I think the red flag is I love Scoop's ice cream shop on Main Street.
Yeah. The red flag here is we should meet up, right? So it's very suspicious that they will meet up because they only know each other for 3 months and they only know the username, Galaxy Gamer. Okay? So scenario number 2, the next day, so here are some more red flags. Are you finished? Okay. Listen.
Si Teacher Kim. Usap niya doon. Ang red flag doon yung give me your phone number.
Okay, so red flags. We should meet up or don't you trust me?
Ayun,
It's
give
like
me your phone
pressuring
number.
your friend or asking
Diba?
for phone number. Those are all red flags.
May danger.
Okay? So never share your personally identifiable information like your full name, address, phone number, email, or even photos and addresses. Okay? So remember, setting boundaries isn't about disconnecting. It's about creating healthier relationships. So just say what you're comfortable with or you're not comfortable with. Okay? So get your worksheet now, and then we will answer our activity. Okay, there are 5 scenarios. Just tell me, just check if what strategy you should use. Is it C, A, L, or M? Okay, and then change the message. Okay, first scenario. Fetus working on a creative writing assignment in a shared
Ayan
box.
siya, oh. Ayan, oh.
Feet discovers that someone has deleted parts of their story and written, "This is boring" in the document. Feet starts to cry and looks for a classmate to blame. So, if your work is missing,
Look for
what
the
should you do?
compromises. L.
The teacher can help you retrieve the document, right? So here, the best thing to do is what? C, A, L, or
A,
M?
ask for adult help. Si teacher, eh. Pwede kang
It's letter
A.
It's letter A. Ask for adult help. And the message should be, "Teacher, can you help me?" Okay, so write it there.
Teacher, can you help me dito? Teacher, can you help me?
Okay? So now, let's go to activity scenario number 2 at the bottom of your worksheet. Okay? So there's a group chat with 5 learners who are helping each other with their math homework. Yesterday, when Tyler asked for help with a problem, Zoe responded, "This is so easy. How do you not get it?"
I know the answer now.
Now, the others in the chat didn't type anything. Tyler stopped responding immediately and hasn't posted in the chat since. So, I think Zoe's message hurt the feelings of Tyler. What strategy should we use? C, A, L, or M? Type it in the chat box. Should be letter C, communicate kindly. So what should Zoe say instead? How if someone is saying I'm having a hard time, what should you say instead? Okay, maybe you can say, "I will help you," or "What's difficult for you?" Right?
I can help you.
Okay, so next, let's go to activity number 3. Head and Guts are playing a video game together. Head and Guts are frustrated and they start arguing. So, how can they agree on something? What strategies should they use?
Look for fear compromising.
This one, you should letter L. Yes. Look for fair compromise. So maybe they can agree on a game. Another game. Let's play something else. Or
Let's play something else.
let's take turns with the games we like. Okay?
Let's play something else.
Number 4.
Something else.
Rain's dog gave birth and she wants to give some of the puppies away. She posted in the group chat, "My puppies need a new home. Get them from my house at 123 Science Street. You can call me at 555-0123. So what is the strategy here? She gave away her personal information. So what's the better strategy? Letter? This one is letter M. Make space. Very good, Agnes. Make space for boundaries. So her message can be, what's the new message? Let's meet in school instead.
Okay, let's meet in school.
Let's meet on school.
Let's meet in school.
Okay, let's meet at the mall or let's meet at the
On
park
school.
instead or in school. To protect your boundary. Okay, last scenario. Handy sends a photo of his new haircut in the group chat. And everybody doesn't like it. But somebody says, "That's different." And Handy feels bad. So what strategy can you use?
Communicate kindly. Wait. Ano sasabihin mo?
Yes, letter C. So, how can you say it nicely? That his haircut is...
Your haircut
Maybe
is
you can
good.
say, it looks good on you.
Okay.
Right? So, change your message. Think about your message and change it so
Your
that there will
haircut
be
is
no
cool.
misunderstanding. Okay?
Exclamation mark. Reflection.
So, we are now here in the reflection. How can I be more charitable with my words? So, go to the first page and type, how can I
Charitable
be
is
more
mapagbigay.
charitable with my words?
Or,
Okay?
then dapat hindi ka
Yeah,
nakaka-hurt
here
yung feelings sa
is-
mga sinasabi mo.
Here is your last,
Oh, di ba?
your
Bayan
last word part.
Bayan
And by
nihan.
me.
Okay, bayan nihan.
Nililinaw dapat ang intensyon at epekto ng mensahe bago ipadala. The intention and impact of the message should be clarified before
Edit mo
sending.
yan.
Okay, so finish your reflection and we will now go back to the main room. Okay, see you again later.
Thank you,
Oh,
teacher
di ka bite.
Tere.
Di ka bite na.
Galing, naku, we've learned a lot again from this English station. Okay, so the last word is me. Okay, and then do your reflection, okay? You can do the reflection even after our activity. Okay, now we will go back to the
Papa, you not
plenary.
heard
Thank you so much
others
again,
with your
kids,
words.
for
Message.
yeah,
A message. A
I'm
good,
so proud of you
The teacher
all.
will do it.
good message.
Okay, go bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye. Bye.
How can I be charitable with my words?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will, ano,
I will.
ikaw na ha.
I will message. Friendly.
I will choose,
You will choose kindness.
kindness. Okay.
Yung kay Teacher Mel eh.
Every time I speak.
Done na, is that?
Time I speak.
Si Babay.
No! Big I
Not yet, we're
yun!
not yet done.
I speak to everyone.
Hi everybody, welcome back. How was your game and your challenges? Were you able to finish it all? Yes, good job. Do you remember, for each challenge you have to answer and then you get a syllable. Were you able to figure out
Yes.
the word? Did you scramble and fix the word or the syllables to form the word? It's bayani. Tama ba? Is it bayani?
Raise hand ka! Raise
What is the word, Lauren?
Bayanihan.
Bayanihan. Very good. Oh, what does bayanihan mean? Do you guys know what bayanihan
Bayanihan
means?
means helping each other. In times of problems.
Helping. Yeah. Oh, make sure in the form in your worksheet you write in the lowest part or the lower part of your paper, bayanihan, in the secret word. Write bayanihan. Okay, Gabe, what is bayanihan?
Unity.
Unity, pagtutulungan. Yan. Kayo ba kanina habang ginagawa natin yung mga task natin, activity, nagtulungan ba kayo? Nagbayanihan ba kayo?
Opo.
Opo.
Opo, very good. Okay, very good talaga kayong lahat. Ngayon, tatawahin ko si Teacher Tere. Meron siyang bibigay na activity sa inyo. Isang liham. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung liham? Ayan, Teacher Tere, let's go. Explain ni Teacher Tere what liham is.
Okay. So go to your worksheet and you will see the second page. It says liham para sa halal na pinuno. Okay, maybe we can stop screen sharing first. So, on the top part, well, you're going. Wait. Okay, so go to the top part of your liham, and then you're going to write the date today.
Mommy!
Okay. Yung petsa na yung araw na to is October 9, 2025. And then, on the next line, sulat ang city address. So, for example, we are now in Quezon City. And, tapos, dito naman sa susunod na linya,
Ano yun?
isulat ang pangalan ng inyong pinuno. So, sino ba yung ano nyo?
Yung pinuno. Pinuno natin.
Oh, Boots Rodriguez.
Ilakas ang...
Your mayor or congressman. So, Ginoo or Gina o Binibini blank. Tapos, kung saan siya nakatira.
Mamaya.
Tama ba? Or position?
Sige na, tsaka na lang yun.
Pwede ilagay congressman.
Okay.
Halimbawa, congressman siya o mayor ng Quezon City.
Oh, ito na lang sagot
Okay?
ko.
Tapos,
25.
yeah, if you're in another country, you can also do that. Or maybe you can pick the mayor of where your parents came from. Right? So you can just ask your parents about that later, where to find it. Okay? And then here on this first line, you're going to write your opening greeting or mahal na mayor. It's okay, you can just skip that part and then ask or Ginoo blank. So if it's a boy, you say Ginoo. Or a
Oops,
girl,
wait.
Ginang blank.
Yung na, big N.
Okay? So, it says there,
Mayor, big
sa
M.
paaralan ay natutunan ko po na
Tama.
ang isang mapagkawang-gawang leader
Tama.
ay blank.
Sa paraan
Okay? The first paragraph.
ay
Okay? Yes, the first paragraph.
Oh, matulungin yun.
Think about
Ang
your AP
matulunging leader ay...
What are the characteristics
No.
of a good leader?
Isang
So, if a good a leader is charitable,
Wait,
ano dapat
wala ka muna
siya?
isusulat.
Ano dapat
Mag-compose
yung
ka muna.
ginagawa niya?
Sa utak
You
mo
can
muna.
write it there. Okay?
4 o'clock.
Tapos, in the next paragraph, isa sa halimbawa ng serbisyo para sa tao ay ang pagkakaroon ng sapat na supply ng kuryente at ang pagbaba ng singil nito. So that's what you learn from
Makinig ka na lang,
science.